Titan is a moon that orbits Saturn that has a very similar atmosphere to Earth's. It also has water on the planet, but the problems is that it's very, very cold. We can get around that problem by using the hydrocarbons already on the planet to heat and use this power to generate electricity to run our facilities and everything that we would need them to. Because it is so cold on the surface, it rains methane, and it has a methane cycle, very similar to the water cycle found here on Earth. There's not a lot of oxygen within the atmosphere, but we can solve that by having photosynthesizing plants, which will generate oxygen and release it into the atmosphere for a more human-friendly atmosphere, so we can move around freely on the surface. That will not happen immediately, but it will happen eventually as the colony grows. It is 8.54 astronomical units from Earth, which is very, very small. The average surface temperature is negative 180 Celsius. Now, a tricky thing is that the cost per person is $16 billion, $150 million, $103,000, and $250, which may seem like a lot of money, but this is a life-changing experience, and that is really nothing for what some people will be able to pay for. There is also an icy shell closest to the core of Titan, and there's also a hydrous silicate core, which will be good for humans because it is a solid core, so it will not be filled with gas. It rains liquid methane on Titan. If there is human contact with methane, liquid methane, it will freeze and give you frostbite very soon. But the boiling point for methane is negative 161 Celsius. So it is not hard to heat up methane, so that we can use it to power our machines and facilities. The atmosphere that is full of nutrients will help us grow crops, and that will be very helpful as we progress into the future of Titan, because it will help us grow as a culture and society.